We are now less than a week away from Independence Day, and many people celebrate with fireworks each year, but it could also put you at danger if they're not handled safely. Victoria McDaniel is with Imperial Health Urgent Care here in Lake Charles and joins us with some safety tips. And Victoria, let's talk about, first of all, what are some of the things, you used to work in an ER, and what are some of the things that you would see as far as fireworks injuries?
Easily hand and finger injuries, lacerations, fractures, and even eye injuries, sometimes even loss of sight.
All right, very good. And what are some of the things that, how can people avoid this?
Always use fireworks in a clear area away from anything flammable and away from houses. We would say, safety experts say that don't use fireworks at all and do more public displays instead. But if we do want to use them at our houses, always never allow young kids to mess with fireworks, and older kids always have adult supervision.
Yeah, lot cheaper to go to the fireworks there on the lake on the 4th of July. I think they're at $9.15 this year, so check that out. But this has just got to be detrimental or just exhausting, I guess, if you're working in an ER and you see some of these kids coming in with these injuries, huh?
Most definitely. Yeah. Seeing kids lose their eyesight or even fingers, and even like lower extremities injuries.
And a lot of today's fireworks are a lot stronger than they were when I was a kid, huh?
Exactly. Yes.
What's some of the first aid on this? Whenever say parents are out there, and sometimes accidents do happen. What are some things that parents can do? First of all, to prevent them. What do you do?
Well, like I said, don't let small kids use them. And if it's older children, make sure that they have adult supervision. And if a firework is not going off immediately like they should, make sure that it gets doused with water. If a minor burn does happen, cold water immediately. And if anything more urgent than that, either go to an urgent care, or if it's more extensive than an ER.
I guess that's always a big decision for parents, is when do I go to an urgent care, when do I go to the ER? Depends on the injury, I guess, huh?
Yes, minor burns, urgent care.
Urgent cares.
And then if it's anything like possible loss of eyesight or a fracture that comes out of the skin, definitely ER. Is
there any sense of guilt in parents' minds, I guess, whenever they come in to get first aid for their child? I can't imagine.
Most definitely. You know, no one wants their child to get injured, but anything can happen. Always try to be the most safe around the fireworks.
All right, very good. Victoria, tell us, you are located there on Nelson Road, right?
Yes, Imperial Urgent Care on Nelson Road in Lake Charles. We also have another location in Moss Bluff. We will be open on July 4th and the holiday weekend as well.
Well, we hope to never see you, but in case we do, we know where to go.
Yes.
All right, thanks so much for coming in, and be safe out there this holiday season.